Good afternoon. My name is Ida Ayu Chandrawati. Today I would like to present my thesis proposal. The title is Teachers' Perceptions on Online Assessment in Vocational High Schools in the Academic Year 2025-2026. Chapter 1, the Introduction. Research background. This is the first. It talks about the ICT, which has transformed education, especially in assessment. The second one, online assessment, which has the flexibility, instant feedback, and automation. Next, the challenge about the technical issue, reduce the interaction. And then the background is about the gap, which the few studies on vocational high school teachers view. And then the importance of aligning technology with classroom realities. 1.2 Research problem. The integration of technology in education has transformed assessment practice, leading to the increasing use of online assessment. Although online assessment provide benefits such as flexibility, efficiency, and instant feedback, their application in vocational high school pose specific challenges. Vocational education focuses on developing practical and hands-on skills, which raise questions about the effectiveness of online assessment in evaluating students' real-world competencies. To address this gap, the study investigates vocational school teacher perception of online assessment in English language learning and explores the challenge they face in its implementation. The research seeks to answer two key questions. Number one, what are the perceptions of vocational school teachers regarding to the use of online assessment in assessing English language learning? Number two, what are the main challenges faced by vocational school teachers in implementing online assessment? Next, 1.3 Research Objective. This study investigates vocational high school teachers' perception of online assessment within the context of English language learning. With the rapid advancement of digital technology, online assessment have become increasingly prevalent, offering benefits such as efficiency, flexibility, and immediate feedback. However, the unique characteristic of vocational education, which emphasizes practical, hands-on skill development, pose distinct challenge for the effective implementations of such assessment. Recognizing the central role of teachers in the assessment process, this research aims to explore their views on the advantages and limitations of online assessment, particularly in vocational settings. Specifically, the study seeks to first examines teachers' perspective on the benefit and drawback of online assessment in vocational education. The second one is to identify the key challenges encountered by vocational high school teachers when implementing online assessment. 1.4 Research Limitation. This study acknowledged several limitations to clarify its scope and enhance the reliability of its finding. Broadly, it is centered on vocational high school teachers' perception of online assessment in English language learning and is not intended to be generalized across all education settings. The research utilized qualitative data collected through teachers' interviews, which may influence the objectivity and generalizability of results. More specifically, several key limitations are identified. Number one, the participant scope is confined to vocational high school teachers in Bandung Regency, limiting the regional representativeness. Number two, the study exclusively investigate online assessment, omitting other forms such as offline or hybrid assessment. Number three, data is drawn solely from teachers' perspective without incorporating insight from students or school administrators. Number four, the data collection was limited to one academic semester, potentially overlooking long-term trends. To mitigate these limitations, the study employs data triangulation and a systematic methodology to improve the validity and reliability. 1.5 Research significance. This study offers both theoretical and practical contributions to English language education, particularly in the context of online assessment in vocational high schools. It aims to fill existing gaps in the literature by exploring teachers' perception of online assessment, an area that has been unexplored, especially at the vocational level. Theoretically, the research enriched the academic discourse on online assessment by providing insight into how it's applied in vocational settings, which differ significantly from general academic contexts. Practically, the study offers several key implications. First, for the students, it promotes fair and more effective assessment methods that enhance engagement and comprehension in online learning. Second, for the teachers, it provides insight that can support development of more suitable and communication-focused assessment strategies in English instruction. The third, for school, it supports policy development and infrastructure improvement for more efficient implementation of online assessment. And the last one, for policymakers, it informs the creation of inclusive and supportive policy based on teachers' real-world experience with digital assessment tools. The last one is about the definition of key terms. This section defines key concepts central to the research to avoid ambiguity and ensure the clarity throughout the study. Both conceptual and operational definitions are provided to explain the theoretical background and observable indicators of each term. Number one, teacher's perception is defined as the belief, attitude, and judgment of teacher regarding the specific educational practice, particularly online assessment. Number two, online assessment refers to the evaluation of students' knowledge and skills using digital tools. Number three, vocational high school is a secondary education institution in Indonesia that integrates academic learning with vocational training to prepare students for employment. And the last one about the English in vocational high school is classified under English for Specific Purpose or ESP, more specifically English for Vocational Purpose. There are 15 references that support this thesis proposal in this time. Thank you for the chance that has given to me to present my thesis proposal and have a nice day.